This is Nokia C32, and today I will show how you can switch the SIM card preferences on this device. So first you will need to launch Settings, then enter the Network and Internet category. Onwards open the SIMs, or actually firstly open the calls and SMS. And over here you can select the SIM card you would like to use for making phone calls and sending SMS messages respectively. If you would like to switch your mobile data preferences, now go for the SIMs, open the, whatever SIM card you would like to set as your preferred choice for using the mobile data, and turn on the toggle on its page that says, mobile data. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.